Hello friends, in this video we intend to review the CoinEx Exchange completely and step by step, so that if you plan to use this platform you will know exactly what kind of exchange you are dealing with and what features will be available to you. Regarding this exchange, I should mention that CoinEx was established in 2017, and since then, with a focus on blockchain technology and the principle of user first is our priority, it has managed to gain a significant position in the global cryptocurrency market. CoinEx's headquarters is located in Hong Kong, and the core team of this exchange consists of individuals from leading companies in the internet and financial sectors. Many team members, including some of the earliest participants and investors in the crypto world, demonstrate the high level of expertise and technical experience within this organization. With coverage in more than 200 countries and regions, support for 18 major world languages, and a community consisting of over 2,000 active user groups worldwide, CoinEx is currently recognized as one of the reputable international exchanges playing an important role in the development of Web3 infrastructure. To start working with CoinEx, you first need to navigate to the official CoinEx website, which can be easily found online. And then, by clicking on the Sign Up option, the account registration page will open up for you to begin the process. After entering an email address that you haven't previously used to open an account and a password that includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, click on the Sign Up button. Please note that if you have a referral code, you can enter it in this section. Otherwise, you can get our referral code from support. At this stage, by clicking on the Send Code option, a code will be sent to you for email verification. Go to the inbox of the email address you registered with, and as you can see, you have received the code. And after you have entered the code, your account opening process will be successfully completed. Now, as you can see, we are currently on the trading dashboard of the CoinEx Exchange platform. After logging into your user dashboard, you need to complete identity verification on your CoinEx account. Through the profile option, as you can see, it is indicated here that your account is not verified. So click on this option. To fully utilize the features of the CoinEx Exchange, especially for high withdrawal limits or using certain financial services, identity verification is essential, and this process is carried out in 3 steps. The first part is entering basic information. At this stage, you need to enter your basic information, such as your exact first and last name, which must match your identification document, country of residence, type of identification document such as passport or national ID card, and the document number. Keep in mind that the information you enter must exactly match the details on your identification document. After final confirmation, it is not possible to change this information. The second part is related to uploading identification documents. In this section, you need to upload an image of your identification document, a clear photo of your identification document, passport, or national ID card should be taken, and it must be high quality and free of any blurriness. In some cases, a photo of the back of the card may also be required. The third section is related to facial recognition. This pertains to facial identity verification. You need to scan your face using the device's camera. If you are using a device that does not have a camera, you need to install the CoinEx mobile application and complete the facial recognition process through the app. The result of the identity verification review is usually sent to you via email within 1 to 3 business days. Please check both your inbox and your spam folders carefully during this period. At the present time, the CoinEx Exchange does not currently provide identity verification services for users who are located in countries or regions such as China, the United States, U.S. territories, Hong Kong, and Canada. If you reside in any of the mentioned countries, you will not be able to complete the KYC process. After uploading your documents, select this option to confirm that all the information provided belongs to you. Click on this option and wait for the exchange to approve your identity verification process. After completing the KYC process and being approved by the exchange, as you can see in the profile section, the status has changed from unverified to verified. And now your account is fully verified and ready for trading, deposits, and withdrawals. The first section of CoinEx Exchange is related to buy crypto, where there are essentially two different methods for buying and selling cryptocurrency. The first method is related to peer-to-peer, P2P trading, where users trade directly with each other. In this section, you can directly buy cryptocurrency from other people or sell it to them, without intermediaries such as banks or financial institutions. Usually, prices in P2P are a bit more favorable, and payments are made through local methods like bank transfers or payment gateways. This method is very practical for users in sanctioned countries like Iran. For added security, CoinEx acts as a supervisor and holds the cryptocurrency in escrow until the payment is confirmed by the buyer. In the P2P section, there is a menu that includes subcategories such as orders, which displays your current or previous orders. In the My Profile section, you can view your account information and activity in P2P. And in the Post Ads section, you are able to create ads to buy or sell cryptocurrency. In the Tutorial section, instructions on how to use P2P are provided, and you can start this process through these options. And if you have any questions, you can search for your answer through the Frequently Asked Questions on 4IJ. In the Buy and Sell section, you can conveniently view a variety of sales ads and carefully choose among different sellers. For each individual seller, their detailed information is clearly displayed to you, including the seller's name, the total number of transactions, order completion rate, acceptance rate, unit price, purchase range, as well as the available payment method. Important points for choosing a seller are to definitely check the order completion rate and acceptance rate. Sellers with a high number of transactions and high percentages are usually more reliable. Always use a secure and trackable payment method, and it is recommended to start with small amounts at first to get familiar with the process. The next section is about third-party trading. Transactions through intermediaries. In this case, buying or selling is done through intermediary financial companies. You can use these services with an international Visa or MasterCard bank card. CoinEx cooperates with these intermediary companies, and the security of transactions is regulated. This method is mostly applicable for users from non-sanctioned countries and may require full identity verification. If you wish to purchase cryptocurrency directly with an international bank card or other payment methods, without using the P2P market, you can use this section. In the table below, you will see a list of intermediary companies or payment partners that provide payment and crypto purchase services. Please note that the prices are approximate and may change at the time of payment. You will see the final price on the website of the respective service provider. First, you select your desired cryptocurrency. Then you choose one of the available service providers based on the price, order limits, and payment method. And after selecting the provider, you will be redirected to their website. And keep in mind that there you will enter the dollar amount you wish to pay and provide your wallet address. You will enter your bank card information or other payment details and confirm the transaction. After payment, the purchased cryptocurrency will be transferred to your CoinEx account, and you can check the transaction status in the deposit history section of your CoinEx account. and the minimum limit for deposit is $10. After entering the amount and clicking on the Confirm Purchase option, you will proceed to the next steps. To avoid errors, carefully enter the address of your USDT wallet or the wallet for your desired currency. Make sure that the service provider supports your country, and for your first purchases, use smaller amounts. The next section relates to the different parts of the market dashboard, which provides a display of the current market status and news in 4 main sections. The first section, Market Overview, provides a general view of the market, where you can get an overall picture of the current state of the cryptocurrency market. Key indicators, price changes, and the overall market performance are presented here in a concise summary form so that you can analyze the general market trend at a glance. In the recommended rank section, several important categories of coins are displayed to you live and in real time. In the market data section, you can review information such as the current price, 24-hour percentage changes, and the price movement trend for cryptocurrencies. In the top searches section, you can see the cryptocurrencies that have been searched for the most by traders. This data shows which projects the market is paying the most attention to. In the new listing section, you can see the cryptocurrencies that have recently been listed on the exchange, which are usually new trading opportunities. The next section is Top Gainers, which displays the coins that have had the highest price growth in the past 24 hours. And the last section, which is about the most valuable cryptocurrencies, includes coins with the highest volume and market capitalization. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge are included in this section. At the bottom of the page, you can see the filter and category options for cryptocurrencies, allowing you to filter coins based on different categories. And further down, the table of prices and data is displayed for you. In this table, you are shown complete information about the listed cryptocurrencies. You can see the price in dollars, daily and monthly percentage changes, total market capitalization, 24-hour trading volume, and the weekly trend chart in this table. The next section is related to market data. In the first part of this section, the overall market statistics are displayed, which includes several key indicators. A total of 1,398 cryptocurrencies are listed on the CoinEx Exchange. Out of this number, 269 cryptocurrencies have seen a price increase, while 1,127 have experienced a price decrease. And only 2 cryptocurrencies have remained unchanged. The total market value of cryptocurrencies is currently at this reported figure, which as of today has seen a 1% decrease compared to the past 24 hours. The spot trading volume in the last 24 hours has reached this amount, which is a 2% decrease compared to the previous day. These statistics help you understand the overall market trend and make better decisions. The second section is about the highest price growth. In this part, the cryptocurrencies that have experienced the highest price growth in the past 24 hours are displayed. This information is very useful for traders who are looking for short-term opportunities. This section allows you to identify the cryptocurrencies that currently have the most potential and to pursue new trading opportunities. The next section is about top losers. Unlike the previous section, this part is dedicated to cryptocurrencies that have experienced the greatest price decrease in the past 24 hours. For more precise analysis and risk identification, reviewing this section is essential. This information can be useful for traders who are looking to identify risks and make informed decisions. The next section is about the top cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. In this section, cryptocurrencies with the highest market cap and trading volume over the past 24 hours are displayed. These cryptocurrencies usually have a significant impact on the market, and their detailed information is very important for analysts and traders. These cryptocurrencies represent the large and influential markets in the world of digital assets and usually hold a special place in long-term analyses. By selecting the More option, you can review more cryptocurrencies in this category. The next part of this section is the feed. This part functions like a social network or news feed. Here you can review posts or news related to the market. You can read analyses or opinions from other users and analysts. And to stay updated on the latest market trends, this section is important. By clicking on the news option, you can check the relevant news for that day. The next section is related to insights, which focuses on market analysis and insights. This section includes key economic news, fundamental and technical analyses, and special market reports. By reviewing this section, you can stay one step ahead of market fluctuations and make better decisions.
The next section pertains to the exchange, which forms the core of traders' trading activities. This section provides a comprehensive and flexible platform for trading various cryptocurrencies with different trading models, which includes 4 main submenus, each with its own specific use and audience. The first part is related to the quick conversion of cryptocurrencies. In the From section, you select your desired cryptocurrency and a drop-down menu will open where you can choose any cryptocurrency you want, or you can use the search bar to look for your desired currency. By selecting the cryptocurrency and clicking on the maximum option, the maximum amount you can convert will be displayed for you. The available amount for swapping is shown to you in this section, and in the To section you select the cryptocurrency you want your USDT to be converted into. After specifying the amount of cryptocurrency and checking the exchange rate, we click on the Swap button. There is a swap icon in this section which is used to switch the source and destination cryptocurrencies. By clicking on it, the 2 currencies are quickly swapped. And in the reference price section, the live conversion rate is displayed for you. This price is taken from the spot market and will be the basis for the conversion calculation. We click on this option. At this point, a page opens for us that is designed to protect the user account and trader's assets. By selecting any of these methods, you choose how to protect yourself against potential risks such as hacking, unauthorized withdrawals, or suspicious logins. Select the SMS verification option, and at this stage, a verification code will be sent to your registered email address. Click on the Send Code option and check the inbox of your registered email address. After receiving the code, enter it in this section. In the next step, you need to register a phone number with the exchange, and after entering the number, click on the Next option. At this stage, a code has been sent to your registered phone number. After entering the code, click on the Next option. The process of verifying and linking your mobile number to your account has been successfully completed. Click on the Done option to return to the swap stage. After completing the process, at this stage you will be informed that the conversion will be carried out based on the real-time price at the moment of final submission. Please pay attention to the final amount you will receive, and in the last step, click on the Confirm option. The currency conversion was completed successfully, and by clicking on the View Asset option, you can see the transaction details. Now, your Tether has been converted to Bitcoin. The next section is related to spot trading. In the spot trading section, traders are able to directly buy and sell cryptocurrencies in the form of various trading pairs. This section provides traders with tools such as placing orders as limit, market, and stop limit orders. CoinEx offers a simple yet professional user interface that enables technical analysis through charts, access to the order book, trade history, and market depth. This section is more suitable for experienced traders who value precise decision making and optimal order placement. By clicking the buy and sell options, you can buy and sell in this market. The next section is related to pre-token trading. In this section, traders are able to trade a token before it is officially listed. By introducing the pre-token trading section, CoinEx has made it possible for investors to enter profitable positions earlier than the market. In fact, this type of trading is for tokens that have passed the initial acceptance stages on CoinEx but have not yet been fully listed on the spot market. Usually in this section there is the potential to generate higher profits, but at the same time it also comes with the risk of higher volatility and lower liquidity. The next section is about strategic trading, which provides users with smart trading tools. In this section, you can define and execute automated strategies such as DCA, dollar cost averaging orders, time-based averaging, grid trading, or other trading algorithms. These tools are especially designed for users who want to take advantage of price fluctuations without needing to be constantly present in the market. Using this section requires an understanding of risk management concepts, proper strategy selection, and knowledge of market conditions. Participation works as follows. In the first step, you create your desired strategy, which includes choosing the type of strategy such as grid spot or auto invest plan and setting your preferred parameters. The next part is the execution of the strategy, which after being created is automatically carried out in the market and trades on your behalf. And the final part is ending the strategy, where you can stop the strategy whenever you wish and review your final profit and loss. In the auto invest plan section, you can periodically purchase a specific amount of a particular cryptocurrency, for example, weekly or monthly. This method helps reduce the risk caused by market fluctuations and is considered a form of long-term investment. This method is similar to the DCA method, and in spot grid, which is one of the most popular automated trading methods, buy and sell orders are regularly placed within a specified price range. This strategy is very practical for highly volatile markets. These tools are especially suitable for busy individuals or those seeking passive profit from market fluctuations. And in the My Strategy section, you can review and view your own strategies.
The next section is about futures trading, where we will thoroughly examine futures transactions. This section allows users to profit from market fluctuations, whether the market is rising or falling. Futures trading on CoinEx provides a variety of tools for professional analysts, which we will review step by step in the following. The first part is about futures trading, which examines profit strategies in both directions of the market. Futures trading on CoinEx provides users with the ability to profit from price increases or decreases by using long and short positions. This feature is especially useful for those who have a good understanding of technical analysis and wish to use professional tools such as leverage to increase their profits. In this section, you can choose the type of contract and manually set the leverage. Futures trading allows for risk management by setting take profit and stop loss orders. On this page, you can see an overview of the futures dashboard. The long option is available here as well if you expect the price to rise, and as you can see, the short option is for when you anticipate a price decrease. This section pertains to Bitcoin, where the real-time price of Bitcoin against Tether is displayed for you. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to trade in this section, and by clicking on any of these options, you can open your position. Futures trading is a professional and powerful tool for experienced traders, but along with high profit opportunities, there are also significant risks. We recommend that before entering real trades, you first practice in the demo trading section and test your trading strategy. The next section is about copy trading, following professional strategies. In the copy trading section, you can easily follow the trading strategies of professional traders and automatically copy their trades into your own account. The advantages of copy trading include being able to choose from among hundreds of active traders, review their profit and loss statistics, success rates, and performance history. It's suitable for beginners or those who don't have time to analyze the market. In this section, if you have a specific trader in mind, you can search for their name, or by selecting any of these traders, you can enter their information page. By reviewing and analyzing the statistics recorded on their page, you can decide whether you want to copy their trades or not. By clicking the copy option, you can enter your desired amount and start copying this person's trades. In this section, the amount of assets managed by this trader is equal to this value, and when reviewing their recent performance, the profit or loss from the trader's latest trade is shown as this amount. His current margin balance is 98 Tether, and the total profit and loss of his followers amounts to negative 282 Tether. The success rate of this trader's transactions has been reported as 62%, and the drawdown over the past 30 days is approximately 10%. So far, he has executed 43 trades with a win-to-loss ratio of 27-16. Currently, 55 out of his 100 available copy trading slots are filled, and a total of 207 people have followed his trading strategies so far. Additionally, this trader has 316 followers. It is recommended to analytically review past performance and apply managed risk when copying. Always use stop loss, SL, and take profit, TP, to protect your capital. The next section is about demo trading, practicing in a real market environment. CoinEx has made it possible for users to test their skills in a simulated environment before entering real trades in the actual market. The features of this section are that you can trade without the risk of losing real capital. It's suitable for practicing strategies or basic training, and the user experience is similar to a real account. The next section is about contract data. This section provides precise analytical and numerical information related to futures contracts. You can review parameters such as trading volume, funding rate, market positions, and other important indicators in this section. And from the promotion section, you can receive up to 40% commission by inviting your friends and acquaintances. By clicking on the More Detail option, you enter the Referral section, where you can see your personal referral code. By copying it, you can send this to your friends and acquaintances, and your referral reports will be displayed to you in this section. The next section is related to market info, where you are shown additional market information. More general and specialized information about different types of contracts, supported currencies, fee structures, and the conditions of each market is provided to users. This section is essential for developing precise and professional strategies.
The next section is related to the finance section, which allows traders to earn profits in various ways by holding or locking their cryptocurrency. This section consists of 4 subsections, the first of which is about flexible financial utilization. In this part, it tells you to enjoy daily compound interest with high flexibility. In this section, you are able to store certain specified cryptocurrencies flexibly in the system and in return receive daily interest. The interest is calculated on a compound basis and is added to your balance every day. An important feature of this section is that you can withdraw your assets whenever you want. There are no time restrictions. Simply put, the process works like this. First, to get started, you need to deposit your desired cryptocurrency into your spot account on Coin, and after funding your spot account, you must transfer your cryptocurrency to the financial account section. This can be done instantly and with just one click. In the next step, as soon as the transfer is complete, the system starts calculating daily interest on your assets. The earned interest is compounded, meaning you earn interest on your interest as well, and it is added to your account daily. At the bottom, a table of suggested assets is displayed, where you can review the profit and loss chart of the cryptocurrency. The next section is related to staking. In this section, the exchange informs you that through this section you can stake and receive on-chain rewards. In the staking section, users can lock specific assets such as Ethereum, Solana, ADA, and others in blockchain network contracts to receive official network rewards. This process usually involves a specific period of time, for example 30 or 90 days, and after that the rewards are deposited into the user's account. Staking through CoinEx has been made very simple and does not require technical knowledge or connecting to specific wallets. By clicking the stake option, you can directly stake your desired cryptocurrency. The next part of the finance section is related to AMM, where you can earn income from 50% of the trading fees. AMM stands for Automated Market Maker. In this section, traders can place their cryptocurrencies in liquidity pools, for example Bitcoin, USDT, and in exchange for providing liquidity, they receive 50% of the trading fees for that trading pair. This model is similar to what is done in decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, but it is combined with the centralized CoinEx platform and offers a simpler user experience. The process of participating in AMM is as follows. First, you need to select a trading pair that supports AMM, which are referred to as recommended markets. In the corresponding table, you can see the profit rate and available liquidity. The next step is to add liquidity to the market. After selecting the market, you can participate in the liquidity pool by depositing the two cryptocurrencies related to that pair, for example USDT and Bitcoin. This process is called injecting liquidity. The system automatically determines the amount of each cryptocurrency based on the market ratio. The next step is to receive your share of the trading fees. After providing liquidity, you automatically receive a percentage of the trading fees paid by other traders in that market. This income is deposited into your account periodically, for example daily, and can be viewed in the AMM dashboard. The next section is about loans, which states that you can borrow and repay at any time. In this section, users are able to receive instant loans by collateralizing their crypto assets. For example, you can use BTC as collateral to receive USDT. You can repay part of the loan or settle it in full at any time. This option is useful for traders who want quick liquidity without having to sell their assets. Receiving a crypto loan works in such a way that the first step involves adding collateral. To get a loan, you must first deposit one of the supported cryptocurrencies as collateral in the system. For example, if you have Bitcoin, you can use it as collateral and receive USDT as a loan in return. The next part is receiving the loan. After providing collateral, the system automatically determines the amount of loan you can receive based on the collateral ratio. The loan is immediately deposited into your spot account and you can use it right away. The next step is loan repayment, which you can do at any time you wish. This includes the principal of the loan plus the specified interest, which is usually calculated hourly or daily, and the final step is retrieving your collateral after settlement. After full repayment, the collateral you initially provided is completely released and you can withdraw it. By selecting your desired currency and clicking the borrow option, you can borrow this asset and you can see the available cryptocurrencies in this section. The next section is about promotion, which consists of 4 subsections. The first part is the trade board, which is a platform for participating in advertising campaigns, receiving rewards, joining airdrops, and taking advantage of financial incentives. In this section, you are invited to join the competition leaderboard and win big prizes. In the trade board section, you can earn points or reward tokens by completing daily or special missions, such as trading specific currency pairs or making deposits. Usually, this is done in the form of rankings with special prizes for the top participants, and you can take part in these activities in both spot and futures accounts. The next section is deposit bonus. Make a deposit and participate in limited time campaigns. In time-limited campaigns, by depositing a specified cryptocurrency such as at least 100 USD eligible users will receive bonuses, trade coupons, or special tokens. These rewards are available only for a specific period and are announced on the deposit bonus page. As you can see, this section displays the competitions for you, and currently there are no active competitions. The next section is mining. Easily earn popular cryptocurrencies. Mining on CoinEx is different from the traditional concept of mining. Here, it refers to campaigns in which users can receive popular tokens for free or at a discount by performing activities such as trading specific pairs, depositing, or staking certain cryptocurrencies. In this section, you can review various cryptocurrencies, and by clicking on View Detail, you can check the details related to that cryptocurrency. The next section is related to the airdrop station, which announces that you can earn free cryptocurrency by learning. In this section, CoinEx holds educational campaigns under the title Learn and Earn. By watching videos, reading educational articles, and answering a few questions, you become eligible to receive a free airdrop, and currently, there is no active campaign available for you. Since it states in this section that the campaigns have ended, by clicking on the View Detail option, you can review the details related to the campaigns. The next section is related to the More section, which includes a collection of CoinEx Exchange's additional features. The first part is the referral system, where you can receive up to 40% reward by inviting friends. In this section, users are able to get their exclusive invitation link, and by introducing others to the CoinEx Exchange, they can receive up to 40% commission from each of their trades. The earnings are updated in real time and can be withdrawn, and you can review referral-related reports in this section. The next section is about the Advanced Partnership Program. Become a CoinEx advertising partner. This section is designed for professional users, influencers, and those active in the crypto field. This program includes exclusive rewards, special support, early access to events, and sometimes a fixed monthly payment. This section requires registration and qualification approval. By clicking the Apply Now option, you can start your registration in this section. The next section is about VIP. You will benefit from a range of VIP advantages. In this section, the VIP area is designed for traders with high trading volumes. The benefits of this section include fee discounts and dedicated support, as well as increased withdrawal and API limits. VIP level upgrades are calculated based on trading volume and total assets. As you can see, all the information regarding VIP conditions is fully displayed for you in this section. The next section is related to the broker. The affiliate program for earning income. Competitive rebates through the affiliate program. Professional users or institutions can collaborate with CoinEx as brokers or affiliates and receive a percentage of commission rebates from the activities of their referred users. This section is very suitable for structuring cryptocurrency businesses. By clicking on the Apply Now option, you can start your registration in this section. The next section is related to the Educational Academy. You can deepen your cryptocurrency knowledge in this section. In the Academy section, there are educational articles and videos on topics such as basic blockchain and cryptocurrency concepts, technical and fundamental analysis, guides for using different parts of CoinEx, and more. By searching for relevant keywords in this section, you can study these topics. As you can see, the items mentioned are available in different sections of this page. This section is suitable for beginners and intermediate users. The next section is related to the Help Center. All your questions are answered in this section. The Support Center includes written articles, video tutorials, and guides for solving common and frequent user issues. You can also submit a support ticket in this section. The next section is related to announcements. Official notices are communicated to you in this section. This section is dedicated to official notifications regarding the listing of new tokens, updates, fee changes, campaigns, and airdrops. If you want to search for something, you can use the top bar to check your items by keyword, event, or part of the announcement. On the left side of the page, you can also see options that you can filter and review. The next section is related to the blog. You can follow the latest trends in the crypto world from this section. On the CoinEx blog, analytical and news articles about financial markets, blockchain, tokens, and new projects are published, and this section is suitable for professional users who want to always stay up to date. From the top section, you can filter the information and blog posts. The More section serves as additional features and growth tools in the CoinEx Exchange. Professional users can earn significant income through the ambassador and broker sections, and we recommend that you definitely use the Academy and Help Center to increase your knowledge. The next section is about the Assets Overview, which provides a general view of assets in the CoinEx Exchange. This section is one of the most important parts for users' asset management. allowing them to view, manage, and transfer their assets across different sections. At the top section, as you can see, your balance status is displayed, and there are two options, deposit and withdraw, which allow you to deposit and withdraw funds more easily. The first section is related to spot assets. The spot section displays the assets that are in your main account and are available for instant buying and selling. In this section, you can deposit, withdraw, and make internal transfers between accounts. The next section pertains to the assets related to your margin trading. If you use margin trading, your balances and debts will be displayed here. This section shows you the amount of borrowed assets, the current interest rate, available margin, and liquidation risk. And from the transfer history section, you can also view the transaction history for each of your accounts. The next section relates to your futures assets. In this section, your balance in futures trading is displayed, which is separate from the spot account. In this section, you can view your available balance for trading, PL, realized profit or loss, and use margin in real time. The next section pertains to collateralized and borrowed accounts. If you have used the loan section, this part displays information about your loans, collaterals, and active collateral. Information such as the type of collateral, the amount of loan received, and the repayment status are shown to you in these sections. The next section relates to assets in the financial account, which are your passive investments. Assets that have been deposited in the finance section to earn daily interest are displayed here, including accumulated interest, locked assets, and their withdrawable status. The next section is related to AMM, showing the liquidity you have provided in AMM markets. If you have participated in AMM liquidity pools, your assets and the income earned from fees will be displayed and visible in this section. The items shown include the provided trading pairs, the amount of liquidity supplied, and the income generated from trading fees. The last section is related to history, where you can view the record of your activities. You can review all your transactions and financial operations here, including deposits and withdrawals, deposit and withdrawal history, internal transfers, received profits, participation in AMM, or borrowing. As you can see, the deposits and withdrawals we have made are displayed for us in this section. And at the top, there are sections that allow you to filter and review the information by selecting them. To make a deposit or withdrawal, go to the next section and click on the deposit option. The deposit page will open for you. In the first section, select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit from the list. And in the next step, you need to choose the corresponding blockchain network. Please note that the address displayed is only for USDT on the TRC20 network. Sending any other type of cryptocurrency or using a different network will result in the permanent loss of your assets. After selecting the network, click on the Confirm option, and at this stage, the deposit address will be displayed to you. By clicking on the QR code option, you can scan this QR code and proceed with the deposit. The minimum deposit amount for USDT is $1. Your assets will be credited to your account after 10 confirmations, And for USDT withdrawals, at least 20 network confirmations must be registered. Please make sure to pay attention to the relevant network selection warnings, and we recommend that new users review the FAQ articles before making a deposit. For greater assurance, first deposit a small amount, and after the network confirmation, proceed with the full transfer. Regarding withdrawals, after selecting your desired currency through the withdraw option, you will see two transfer modes here. Normal transfer, which is a standard transfer via the blockchain network and incurs a network fee, and inter-user transfer, which is a fee-free transfer between two CoinEx user accounts, for example, to a friend or colleague. For internal transfers, you only need the recipient's email or ID, and there is no need for a wallet address or network selection. After selecting the transfer mode, in the case of a normal transfer, choose the desired network for the transfer and enter the wallet address in this section. Then, by entering the desired amount, click on the withdraw option. The minimum withdrawal amount is different for each cryptocurrency and sometimes varies depending on the network. The time it takes for the funds to reach the destination also depends on the selected network and the number of confirmations required by the recipient's wallet. We recommend that traders first make a test transfer with a small amount and be sure that the recipient's address and the network are accurate and compatible. Otherwise, your assets may be lost. And after completing the withdrawal details, your withdrawal will be processed by clicking the withdraw option. From the All Records section, you can review your transaction history. Since we haven't made any withdrawals, as you can see in the deposits section, an amount of $20 has been deposited into our account. And in the proof account history section, you can see the history of internal transfer and swap transactions showing on what date, from which account, which currency, and the status of each transaction. An amount of $20 has been swapped. The currency USDT was swapped to Bitcoin. The next section is related to orders in the CoinEx Exchange. In this part, traders are able to track and manage the status of their various orders in different sections of the exchange. The spot order section displays all the spot orders you have placed in the spot market. Pending orders include those orders that have not yet been executed. Order history includes executed and canceled orders. Trade history is the record of your trades. Transactions that have been carried out based on orders are shown here, and your margin trades are displayed in this section. In this section, you are able to apply options to filter the orders. In the first section, you select the type of market. In the second section, you choose the specific trading market you are interested in, and you can use the search bar to find your desired market. In the order placement section for trading, buying, or selling, you specify your order type, and here, the cancel all option allows you to quickly cancel all open orders if you have several active. By using this option, you can cancel all active spot orders at once. Before clicking cancel all, make sure that there are no important open orders left that need to be executed. In this section, you can view, filter, and if necessary, cancel all your placed orders in the spot market. The information on this page helps you maintain complete control over your spot trades. The next section is related to futures orders. In the futures orders section, you can precisely review and manage all your trades and open or close positions in the futures market. This page is a comprehensive tool for monitoring profit and loss, risk, liquidation level, and other details of your futures trades. At the top bar, you will see several filters that allow you to narrow down and quickly search for information. And at the top section, you can select the status you want to review for your trades. In this section, you can review your active positions, your trade history, ongoing trades, your order history, your transaction history, and matters related to funding fees. In the table below, you find key points for futures trading in the position margin or margin rate section. This section shows how much capital has been put into the trade and how much risk is involved. The liquidation price section is extremely important for futures traders because if the market price reaches this level, the entire position will be liquidated. In the TP and SL section, if take profit or stop loss has been set, this part will indicate whether they are active or not. The next section relates to swap orders, which includes ongoing and completed transactions. In this section, traders can view and review all the orders they have placed and executed using the swap feature. This tool is mostly used for instantly converting one currency to another at the current rate. At the top of the table, there are several options for filtering previous orders. In the From section, the user selects the currency they want to convert, and in the To section, they select the currency they will receive. A key point that should be mentioned is that the final price at the time of conversion may differ slightly from the displayed price. The reason for this is market volatility and the instant execution of the order, and the swap section is considered a popular tool among beginner users due to its simplicity, especially for those who do not wish to get involved in the details of spot trading. If the system displays operation and execution in this section, it means your order has been successfully completed and the amount of 20 USDT has been converted to Bitcoin. The next section relates to fiat orders, where if you have bought or sold cryptocurrency using fiat currency through payment gateways or in cooperation with third-party platforms, the corresponding orders will be displayed to you in this section. Information such as the payment method, bank card, Apple Pay, and so on. The status of your order is successful, pending, or canceled, as well as the amount of cryptocurrency and fiat currency will be displayed to you. The next section is related to the CoinEx Exchange support. In this section, by clicking on this icon, the user support page of the CoinEx Exchange opens for us, which helps users receive answers to their questions or resolve their issues as quickly as possible. This support is provided through an intelligent chatbot and by submitting a ticket. When you enter the support section, a conversation first begins with a bot called CoinEx Bot, which is designed to quickly answer frequently asked questions. If you do not receive answers to your questions through the bot, by clicking on the Submit Request option, you can send a support ticket. In this process, you provide the subject, a description of the issue, relevant images, and your email address, and the CoinEx support team will usually respond to you within 12 to 24 hours. The status of your ticket can be tracked through the dashboard, and in addition to chat and ticket support, users can also make use of resources from the Academy, Help Center, and announcements. In the Help Center section, which serves as a knowledge base, you'll find educational articles, frequently asked questions, and video guides which we explain to you in the video about the More section. In the Academy and announcements, you are provided with useful articles and courses for learning blockchain and crypto concepts, as well as official announcements about updates, token listings, and system changes. These were the explanations regarding the review of the CoinEx Exchange. If any part needs further clarification or if you have any questions, feel free to contact us through the comments. Wishing you success and profitable trades.